Hello everyone. Today, we are going to do a MSI Bravo 15 video rendering test of 8K, 4K, and 1080p. First, we are going to do a 4K video rendering test. We are going to select the file first. This is a screen recording file. The size of the video is 8 GB and 4 minutes duration. Resolution is 1080p. Okay, let's go. We are going to open DaVinci Resolve 18. It's not from Get Into the PC site. We are going to open the software and new project. Now, we are going to add the video. Okay, open Files. Drag the video. Change project frame rate? Yes, change. You can see CPU and GPU usage on the top left corner. Drag video to timeline. I'm dragging the video here and there. There is no lag. It's going really smooth. We are going to deliver page. I am giving a random title. I am selecting export format to MP4 and preset encoder AMD. Now we are going to select the resolution. Okay, for K, 60 frames and I leave the encoding profile to automatic and quality also automatic. I'm not going to change it. Add render queue. Add higher resolution render? Yes. Render all. It will take some time. Fast forward. Now rendering is done. It took around 4 minutes, 42 seconds to render. 8K rendering. I'm using the same video, just changing the rendering settings. As we can see, for some reason rendering is not happening in other formats. Only QuickTime and GoPro Cineform codec combination is working for me. As you can see, resolution 8K, adding it to the render queue. As you can see, I already rendered the video. It took around 30 minutes, 30 seconds to render the 4 minutes video. That is a lot of time. 1080p video rendering. It took about just 1 minute 6 seconds to render the video. Video settings is YouTube 1080p HD, 60 frames per second. Now we are going to compare the video file sizes of the exported videos. We are checking the 4K one first. It's just decent 2.23 GB just for 4-minute video of 4K. Bitrate is decent. Now, we are going to check that 8K video file. Size really big 121 GB. And the bitrate is really overkill. Now, we are going to check their properties of 1080p video, just 381 megabytes. Really small comparing to the 8K and 4K. Bitrate is decent. I made a chart showing video types and time: 1080p 1 minute, 6 seconds, 4K video 2 minutes, 48 seconds, 8K video, 30 minutes, 31 seconds for 4 minutes video duration. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like the video.